What's up, y'all? It's Jay Frey here, and this is my 1987 560 SCC. So right now we're gonna go over all the stuff that's going on with this car, and we're gonna get it back into tip-top shape. So right now, the things that I know we need to do, I think we need a new hood or to get this one repaired. We need a grill. We have a no start, and I believe we're gonna be able to go through that today. We also need tires, and we need some inside pieces as well as a good cleanup and such. Right now we're going inside. That's a little messy, y'all. Please bear with me. But as you can see, we've got a few things to put together. This door's okay. We need the panel there, new radio, I think just the radio. Might need some wood trim for this ashtray here. My key, it's like weird, it's not positioned right. Does anybody know if I need to just center my dash better or if this is something going on here? I need the handles and panels over here replaced. I need to get this off of here. These seats could use some new springs and some leathers. This back here, I need to get some work done back there. Let's see, I got an extra window back here. Some other parts I need to put back together. This is a headliner, I gotta do something with that. So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna check the ground wire in the trunk. That's what I think could also be a culprit of this. Onto yet. But trust me, I will. Alrighty. Let's see. I can get. Hey, how you doing? So that needs, I mean, it looks good. And we're still trying to diagnose this no start. If you have any ideas what you think it might be, make sure you leave a comment below. I'm looking for any kind of help I can get at this point. I know this car will run, and I feel like it's something very simple that I'm missing. So what is not sending the signal to the trunk? It's gotta be something with that relay. It's gotta be. All right. Back yet again. Don't have nothing to clean this out with. Get some compressed air. Blow that in there. pins. If I can get it to focus on there. There's dirt inside of those pins. I need to get that out. I'll go to the store and get some compressed air. Some compressed air, get some gas. Let's see what happens. I don't know, guys.
The next day.
Unfortunately, we're gonna have to take a break on the 560. I need to get a manual and do some more research on the KE Jetronic system. I don't want to screw up. I want to do this right, and I want to learn how to troubleshoot this fully. If you also have a W126 or C126, let me know what models you have, as I would love to talk with more owners and see what their, what issues they have. I'm also going to order some body parts for the car, or try to source them and see how much that's going to cost. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Yeah.